Hello, everyone. I'm Ronald Coleman, the chef, continuously helping everyone to freedom. I'm one of Team Freedom's originals, and today I'm going to show you how I personally move my coins from my Etherwallet over to the Karatbit Exchange. But before we do it, I just want to let you know that this is the way that I move my coins. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a crypto expert. So this is what works for me. I'm not going to be held liable for any lost or missing coins, any human or computer error. If you have any issues moving your coins, contact Karatbit support at support@karatbit.com, or you can contact My Etherwallet support, and I'm sure they have a support link on their exchange. Now that that disclaimer is out there, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up Karatbit, etherscan.io, and myetherwallet.com. If you have your MetaMask information, log into your MetaMask. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to My Etherwallet. And since we are sending KBC coins to Karatbit, we're going to click on Send Ether and Other Tokens. Then you're going to click MetaMask Miss if you're using MetaMask. If not, you can use your private key, and you will click here and input your private key right here. You could also use your key store JSON file, which is that UTC code that you got. Clicking there and finding it on your computer. But we're going to do it with MetaMask. So I'm going to connect with MetaMask. Now, if you were to come down here and your KBC coins are not here, if you do not see your KBC coins here, what you need to do is click Add Custom Token. And you need to get the contract address. The contract address is on Etherscan. So you go to Etherscan. In the search bar, you type in KBC. And as you can see right here, the coin pops up. Karatbars, Karat Bank Coin, KBC information. You click on the information for that. This is the contract address that you need. This little tab here copies the address to your clipboard. The decimal is 7. So you're going to need this decimal as well. So just remember that the decimal is 7. So you would click here. You go back to My Etherwallet. And down here where it says Add Custom Token is where you would paste the contract address. And from there, the symbol, KBC, the decimal is number 7, and you would save. And once you save it, then you would click Show All Tokens and make sure that you see your KBC coins there. Now, it's not going to let me do it because I already have it on this account. My KBCs are already here. So let's move on to the next step. Keep this page open. So the next step, also, you need to make sure that you have some Ethereum. If you do not have Ethereum, you need to move Ethereum over to this exchange. You need Ethereum for the gas in order to move your coins over to Karatbit. So we're going to go to Karatbit. We'll log in to our Karatbit exchange. We'll go to Dashboard. Now your deposit addresses for your Ethereum, your KBC, and your KCB are all the same. We're going to take this deposit address, copy that to the clipboard. I'm going to take it back to My Etherwallet. Now, when you put the address here, you're going to get an error code. When you get this error code, it's letting you know that you do not have enough capital letters in this address. And the way that you fix that issue, you go to Etherscan again. In the search, you paste your Karatbit address. Click the search, and it changes some of the letters in here from lowercase to uppercase. Click copy address to clipboard. You go back to My Etherwallet, and then you paste it there. And as you can see, no error code this time. So the next thing that you do is you select, click on this gray tab, and the drop down comes up, and you select KBC, since you're moving KBC. And you check the last 4 digits of this wallet address. Go back to the exchange and make sure that the wallet address match, the last 4 match. Then you click the amount of KBC in which you want to move. I'm going to send the entire amount. Generate the transaction. I'm going to send the transaction. As you can see, you get a whole lot of pop-ups confirming that this is what you actually want to do. Make sure this is what I want to do. Now, MetaMask is going to ask me if I really want to proceed with this and to confirm it. So I'm going to confirm it and verify the transaction. And I'm going to watch it go over in real time. Now, it's not going to show up immediately. It went through with no issues. Now, it's not going to show up immediately on your Karatbit Exchange. So what you have to do is give it a day or so and check back. And when you check back, you go under dashboard again, wallet and balance. Excuse me. And then you check your KBC coins and see if they're there. And another place that you can check is your history. And it will be under your deposits. You will also see it here. So that's it. That's all you have to do to move your coins from My Etherwallet over to the Karatbit Exchange. I hope this video was helpful. Again, I'm Ronald Coleman, the chef, continuously helping everyone to freedom. I want to thank you for watching this video.